How to fix YouTube slow loading and lagging in your Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix YouTube slow loading and lagging after it loads on your Google Chrome. So let's get started. First things first, let's just try and open up our YouTube. Now, if it takes a lot of time to load your YouTube, what you can do is just check your internet connection first. Now, if internet is not an issue, what you might want to do is check if you have any ad blockers. Now, ad blocker extensions can be a major problem when you try to, watch your YouTube, as it gets slow a lot. So go to your extension. Now you can go to extension by tapping on this right here. Tap on extensions and tap on manage extensions. After you do that, if you have any ad blockers or stuff like that which might make YouTube slow, delete that, tap on remove, and it will get deleted. So after you do that, your problem should get fixed. If it does not get fixed, what we'll do is we'll remove the cache and cookies of our Google Chrome. Now to do that, tap on these three dots on the top right, and here go to settings. Now it should be right around here. Scroll down and find settings. Now after you're on your settings, here you'll need to go to your privacy and security. Now after you're there, go to delete browsing data and history. Right here you can now select all time, and after you do that, make sure that you delete all the cookies and cached files. So here, if you don't want to delete your browsing history, you can just unselect these and tap on delete data. After you tap on delete data, your problem should get fixed. So this is basically how you fix YouTube slow loading and lagging issue on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, and stay tuned for more.